In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView in 2025, offering a step-by-step guide for beginners and sharing some advanced setup tips along the way. Whether you're just starting out or you're more seasoned, this tutorial will help you navigate TradingView like a pro. First, we'll start by opening the TradingView platform. If you haven't already signed up, I highly recommend creating an account to get the most out of your experience. Once you've logged in, you'll notice the default chart view on your screen. Let's move to the watch list section, typically found on the right-hand side. Simply click on the watch list to access your list of preferred assets. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of multiple stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies that you're interested in following. Next, let's explore the highlight feature. This is particularly useful when you want to emphasize certain data points or decisions. To use this, click wherever you see a highlight option on your platform. A window may appear asking you to type in your specific highlight criteria. This could be anything from a price level to an indicator threshold that you find significant. After you've set up your highlights, it's time to get familiar with indicators. Indicators are powerful tools that help you analyze price movements and trends. Start by clicking on the Indicators button, typically located on the top toolbar of your chart. There's an extensive list available, but if you already have a particular indicator in mind, you can type it directly into the search bar. After typing in your desired indicator, click it to add it to your chart. Moving forward, familiarize yourself with the various ways to interact with these highlights and indicators. Click on them to adjust settings such as thresholds, visualization modes, or alert conditions. Customizing these features to fit your trading style can greatly enhance your trading decisions. Now let's switch our attention to the trading panel. You can find it usually towards the bottom of the interface. Clicking here opens up options for linking your brokerage account to enable direct trading from the TradingView chart itself. Keep in mind to review your brokerage compatibility with TradingView to ensure seamless integration. Lastly, take a moment to click on and explore any additional highlights and features within the trading panel to fully utilize the platform's capabilities. This feature allows you to execute trades and manage orders directly, offering a streamlined and efficient trading experience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through TradingView, learning both the basics and some advanced tips to enhance your trading journey. Remember, practice and exploration are key. Don't hesitate to dive deeper into each feature and customize your setup as you become more familiar with the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!